Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. It is shopping week right now. So I have a lot that I want to share with you today, so I hope you stick with me through this whole video. I have a lot of deals that I want to share with you and also some really exciting news, things that are happening here at YARNutopia. So the first thing to start off right away is the sale at Would Be Fancy. I know I share this a lot in all of my tutorials. I've shared blog posts about these crochet hooks. They are wonderful. I have a full set. They are hand carved ergonomic wooden handled crochet hooks. They are so fabulous. You can hold it like this, or you can hold it. A lot of people crochet like holding a pencil. They have left-handed, right-handed hooks, and they restock all the time. They're having sales all the time. It's a wonderful Etsy shop. If you haven't heard about it, it is called Would Be Fancy. The crochet hook is fixed inside of the handle, so it's permanent. So you can get a full set or just a few if you want to try them out. And right now, for the Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday deal, you can get these for 25% off. And this sale is not going to end on Monday. It is going on until December 17th, so you still have time to get these hooks. Any crocheter would love these hooks. Tell your friends, tell your family members that you want one of these hooks. Like I said, they're hand carved and ergonomic. Look at how fabulous that fits right in the palm of my hand. This is how I crochet, but like I said, you can crochet like this and this part fits right in there, and it just looks really nice, and it is lightweight and very comfortable to use. So I love promoting these hooks. I can't rave about them enough. They're wonderful. Check out the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy and get your hooks for the Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. So that is on there. The link for that is in the description of this video. So make sure to go shopping on Etsy. Also, the next order of business, I have my little notebook here. I don't know if you can see it. But I have a little notebook of lists of things that I have to share with everybody so I don't forget, because there's so many wonderful things happening at YARNutopia. And one thing is that on YouTube, we are less than 20,000 subscribers away from 300,000 subscribers. I cannot even wrap my mind around how many people that is that are watching my videos, that are subscribing to my channel and supporting YARNutopia. You are all so wonderful. If you haven't subscribed yet, be one of those people who subscribe and get me to the 300K mark. I cannot even believe it. Thank you all so much. I'm just so grateful forever, not just this week because it's Thanksgiving week, but always, to everybody here at YARNutopia. I absolutely just love that we can come together in this community and share our love of crochet and share our crochet patterns and just this passion for fiber. I love it so much. So thank you all for being here. Anyways, I just had to move on because we are time restricted here. So the next order of business is that YARNutopia has an Etsy shop as well, and we are having a sale on the Etsy shop. So the YARNutopia Etsy shop sells the crochet pattern. I know a lot of my crochet patterns, or all my crochet patterns, are free on my website and on YouTube through the video tutorial. But if you would like to follow along with a written pattern offline, you can go to my Etsy shop for YARNutopia. The link is in the description of this video. And you can shop for any of the patterns and print them off, download them into your device, take them with you wherever you go, and that way you don't have to actually go to my website or go to the YouTube channel. You can just read the PDF file in your device. So all of my patterns from today until the end of Friday, so today's Wednesday, WIP Wednesday, at the end of Friday, which is Black Friday, they will be 50% off. So the best deal you're gonna get is right now, because on Saturday the sale is gonna dip down to 40% off for the one day only, for Saturday. Small Business Saturday, support YARNutopia. And then the sale is going to dip down even more to, or I guess, yeah, the sale is going to be less percentage off on Sunday and Monday. So for Sunday and Cyber Monday, the sale is going to be 30% off. So right now, usually I sell my patterns for $6, a small amount for a written pattern that I put a lot of effort into, and that you can take wherever you want to in the whole world, and you can purchase that for, right now it's 50% off, so $3. And then on Friday that ends, so Saturday you'll get it for 40% off, and then on Sunday and Monday it's 30% off. So the price is going to go up and up and up. And then after Monday, the sale's over, the prices will go back up to $6 per pattern for most of my patterns. Some of my patterns I do sell for $4 or $4.50, depending on the size of the item. So check out my Etsy shop and shop on there for the crochet patterns. Now, I know I offer all my patterns for free on my website, and you can purchase my patterns on my Etsy shop, but I felt like giving and being in the giving mood, I wanted to share free Pattern Friday this Black Friday. So what that is, I kind of explained it in last week's WIP Wednesday, and what free Pattern Friday is, one time per month, one Friday per month, I am going to send out a free PDF file for you to download of one of my crochet patterns. The window is for 24 hours only, so from Friday to Saturday you can get my free PDF file of a free crochet pattern that I choose, that I send out to all of you. The way you can get this is if you subscribe to my newsletter and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or be a follower on the Facebook page, because I will be announcing these on Wednesdays, the WIP Wednesdays, before the Friday that I'm going to release it. So this Friday, Black Friday, I am going to be sending out the free crochet pattern. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to notify you where you can get it. You'll have to go click the link in your newsletter or go to my blog, and I will also share it on Facebook, that you have to click the link. It'll say click here to download this pattern, and this week Friday I will share all of that with you. So make sure you sign up with my newsletter so you can get that pattern, and it'll send you a link to go and download it. So I'm super excited for that. And these are great patterns. It'll be this Friday will be one of my older patterns. Sometimes I might release a new pattern. It's really just one Friday per month, and this Friday is the first one that we are going to do. So I'm really excited to share the love of crochet with all of you. So that's exciting. And last thing that I wanted to share with everybody is, again, I mentioned this last week, is that we're doing the 12 Days of Christmas projects. Oh, they are so exciting this year. I have an adorable hat. I added a stocking cap actually yesterday. I just decided to add a stocking cap to the list. We have mug cozies. I think we have coasters going up on there. I was like, I think. We are doing tutorials for all of these. So there's video tutorials going to be filmed, and there are going to be crochet written patterns as well. And you'll see all the photos, and I'm going to release a new pattern every day for the first 12 days of December. So I'm really excited about that. So that will be coming up. December 1st is the first pattern, which is just a few days away. Oh my goodness. But that is all I really wanted to share with everybody. I hope you all have such a wonderful holiday weekend. It's a 4-day weekend over here. Nate is off of work, and we are going to go celebrate Thanksgiving with all of our family, his side and my side, and it's Nasser's first Thanksgiving, and he is going to have some sweet potatoes and some pumpkins because I made some baby food for him. So he'll have some of that, and yeah, we're just gonna have a great time with our family and our friends. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am the most grateful for all of you for being here and supporting YARNutopia and just crocheting along with me and showing me all of your crochet work. It really means so much to me, and I'm gonna get all emotional because I just love you all so much. You all are so wonderful, and I just love this community. So before I start crying, I'm going to leave it at that. Happy WIP Wednesday, happy Thanksgiving, and happy weekend. I'll see you next week, Wednesday. Happy hooking!